Hi everyone, welcome to Enlightened Biology. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like the content. And today we are going to discuss about dehiscence of anther. Dehiscence means opening up. The anther is going to open up along the line of the stomium. That is what we are going to learn here, how that is going to happen. That's the concern here now. And already we know that there are 4 layers on the anther wall. That is epidermis, endothecium, middle layers and tapetum. When we learnt about middle layers, we learnt that they are ephemeral in nature, which means they are short-lived and they are going to disappear when the anther is going. What we are seeing here is a matured anther which has undergone dehiscence along the line of the stomium, and we could also see the pollen grains are coming out, and to our wonder we could see only 2 pollen sacs here, but in the young anther there are 4 microsporangium. How this has happened? We know that the tissues in between the microsporangium are disappeared on maturation. They got degenerated on maturation of the anther. Hence microsporangium on maturation, which are known as pollen grain, are fused together, which means in each lobe there are going to be only 1 pollen sac. So each lobe is going to have 1 pollen sac. So the entire anther is going to have only 2 pollen sacs now, because the microsporangium on maturation got connected with each other due to the disappearance of the sterile tissues in between them. And why this opening has happened? The reason for the opening is endothecium cells and the epidermal cells. We know that the endothecium cells have a covering on them, the layering, fibrous layering on them, and the fibrous layers are hygroscopic in nature. Usually anther opens up only during the dry season, and that too when the incurving of the stomium happening, the cells along the stomium happening. Okay, so why this is happening in the dry season? Because the hygroscopic nature of the fibrous thickening is going to help for this. Because of the I repeat again, the dehiscence of the anther takes place only during the dry season. That is due to the hygroscopic nature of the fibrous thickening. Okay, so what actually happen in the dry season? The hygroscopic layer, that is the deposition of alpha cellulose and callose, starts to shrink due to the lack of water. When they are shrinking, the outer wall, which is being thin, cannot hold up the shrinking process, so that is going to incurve further, which is going to create a tension in the anther. Then the anther opens up. That is how dehiscence of anther occurs. So you could take down the notes here from this. Thank you.